Ryan Barth from the Baker Outdoor Learning Center. Today I'm going to bring you a unique campfire cooking recipe. Now we're all used to making s'mores over the campfire, but today I'm going to teach you how to make bread on a stick in a campfire. Okay, all you need, folks, is some biscuit mix. Just get some simple biscuit mix that you just have to mix with water, a mixing bowl, and a stick. So step one, take your mix and just dump it in your bowl, and you're gonna mix that with some water. Now the key here is, when you're mixing it, we want it to be pretty dry, so don't put too much water in. Okay folks, I've mixed up my dough, and it's a little bit on the drier side. Then you want to take your dough and you want to roll it into a ball. So it should be something about like that, about the size of a golf ball. And then I'm going to take my dough and I'm going to make it into like a snake, like you used to make with Play-Doh. Once you have your snake, you're going to take it and you're going to wrap it around the end of your stick and then kind of push it together like that. So now we have a ball of dough on the end of our stick. We're going to cook this just like you cook a marshmallow, and we'll have bread on a stick. Okay folks, we're gonna cook the bread on the stick just like you would a marshmallow. But this is bread, so it takes quite a bit longer. So rotate it back and forth and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, looks like my stick bread is just done. See how it's nice and golden brown here? I've created my own little piece of bread. And then once it cools down, you can just take it off your stick just like this. And now you have your own little biscuit. Now, this biscuit you can eat with some honey or some maple syrup or some jelly, or I just like it just like it is, just off the stick. Thanks for watching. This is Ryan Barth from the Baker Outdoor Learning Center. Hope to see you outside.